In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Google Classrooms to manage your class. I will be using the AllSpark test email ID. To create new, create class, and then continue. Class name you can keep as test. Section can be YouTube. Subject can be videos. Room can be eighth room. Create. It will create your classroom. If you want to send something, go here and then type anything and then you can send. Here it is, you have sent. And then if you want to add students, go here, type an email. This is query.allspark.infinite and I'll click invite. So I have my email open here. Here it is. This is the invite. And then just click join. Here it is. Let's just click this again. And here it is. Now you can also see the people. So there's only one. And then you can see, the teacher can see the students. If the student has joined, then you can remove the student. You can email the student and you can mute. So let's just mute. Can still submit work. Other students won't see it. Can't reply to classmates' work. Can't comment or post. So let's just mute. Hit this. And then you can unmute also. These are the grades that you will get after you get assessments. You can grade them. And then this is a chat. That's all for now. Thank you. And have a nice day.